Let's dive straight into it. Your eyes are your windows to the world, and keeping them in tip-top shape is crucial. Here are the top 4 vitamins that can help you heal your eyes and repair them naturally. No fluff, just pure eye-saving goodness. 1. Vitamin A, the vision vitamin. Why it's important? Vitamin A is like the superhero of eye health. It plays a key role in maintaining a clear cornea, which is the outside covering of your eye. It's also vital for good night vision and helps prevent dry eyes. Sources: carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, kale, egg yolks. Pro tip: next time you snack, think orange and green. Carrots and spinach smoothies might just be the tastiest way to save your sight. 2. Vitamin C, the protector. Why it's important? Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. It helps prevent cataracts and slows down the progression of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Sources: oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, kiwi. Pro tip: start your day with a vibrant fruit salad or a glass of fresh orange juice. Your eyes and taste buds will thank you. 3. Vitamin E, the shield. Why it's important? Vitamin E is another antioxidant that fights off harmful free radicals. It helps in preventing cataracts and AMD, ensuring that your vision remains sharp as you age. Sources: almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, peanut butter, avocados. Pro tip: grab a handful of nuts for your afternoon snack or spread some almond butter on your toast. Delicious and nutritious. 4. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, the maintainer. Why it's important? Riboflavin, or vitamin B2, is essential for maintaining proper eye function. It helps prevent cataracts and contributes to overall eye health by supporting the other vitamins in doing their job. Sources: dairy products, eggs, lean meats, green leafy vegetables, fortified cereals. Pro tip: incorporate dairy and leafy greens into your meals. A spinach and cheese omelette sounds like the perfect start to a vision-boosting day. Conclusion: see the difference. There you have it, your eye health dream team. These vitamins work together to protect, heal, and repair your eyes naturally. Incorporate these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, and you'll be on your way to seeing the world more clearly. Found this info useful? Hit that like button and share it with your friends. Let's keep our eyes healthy and our vision bright.